Welcome, gardening comrades. I am G Mama Grooow, hard in the garden.
I was not done recording. My battery cut off. But anywho, I got a majority of my plants down. I'm not sure if I want to cover any of this yet because I'm still harvesting off of my broccoli leaves here. Yeah, I'm still eating those. But this other stuff, I don't suspect it'll come back. I thought I saw these are beans. Okay, so I'm thinking, okay, here it is over here. This plant is the mouse melon, Mexican gherkin, whatever you want to call it. And I saw a bulb at the bottom, so I'm thinking it might come back. And this bee balm keeps on catching powdery mildew, so I'm not sure if I even want that back. So they gonna sit over there and thug it out for their best selves. Everybody else over here is pretty much contained together. I'll be covering what I can cover, but I'm going to take me a lunch break. I got them off of the saucers and the plant stands, and I'm taking the rest of this in the house. My ginger, so I did pretty good just bringing the ginger in. Everything else is staying out here because yeah, I got a lot of tropical plants now, and this is what I'm concentrating on for the winter months. So here we grow. Last look before everything gets covered up. Like that. And it's gonna be snowing in about 7 days. Let's grow. So we got our coats on and our hats out here. That's what we got. Noted. They covered up as best as I could do it. Let's grow, cause we ready for the snow. Scarlet kale. And went all the way purple in this 30-degree weather. Let's grow. We ready. It's cold out there, bro. Did you side-eye me? You want a treat, bro? Cause I was gone for a long time. That's all it was. See how you do with these strawberries. Look at them. Oh, you know what time it is, don't you, bro? Hold one time. Let me get one of these strawberries up out of here. Yeah, I see you. Hang on, bro. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, so real quick, let me slide my hand in my glove. Tried to get my camera out of here. It froze. Yeah. So that's unfortunate. I'm gonna have to wait for a day when it warms up. Right now it's looking like it is almost 40 degrees. So I'll give it about 34. But anywho, yeah, you see it. The snow has finally come down, and it's not even the winter months yet, and it's continuing to snow and rain at the same time. But I got my cardboard out here because I'm going to be putting them underneath these pots, the ones that I can get them underneath, and try and block or insulate more because they are on the concrete. And if this is your first time watching me work outside growing in the snow, zone 6A, yeah, I grow in containers and I protect my plants because of that fact. So we're gonna pray for the ones that are not covered at this time. Yes, indeed, because this winter is coming in fast, and seeing as that it is snowing and raining right now, yeah, I'm gonna do this without my camera. So I'll catch y'all later. I hope y'all was ready, because like I said, it ain't even the winter time and we got snow. This is November 2025, and yeah, we ready. We got our good coats on. That's what we got. Let me get this cardboard down and my phone out of this wetness. I'm out. Let's grow. And I can't turn it off because I got my gloves on. Oh my God. Anywho.